Guys made it to Austin.
I don't know.
Gearing up.
You got all field tips.
Oh. The trigger. Oh, it's released.
I hope not.
There's no.
You're gonna freeze, but that's the
There's
only
no
thing
way.
he's got.
There's no way.
Well, it is the way. It's Austin.
Yeah, that's true.
Cole just looking at the bag.
Oh shit.
Get a close up on all the shit too if you could.
Yeah,
bag you bringing?
I was getting at him.
No, I got my big bag at the front door.
Hey.
I don't need much.
You're gonna be cold. All right then. You got your trigger? Yeah.
All right,
Are you ready?
sorry about that. Just go straight forward.
Yeah. You're what you say? Yeah. Good idea.
Fuck 'em.
Hey, Colorado bound.
There we go.
About time.
Yeah. It'll be
Flight detour.
It'll be short-lived.
Sure, we can muster up. We'll get something going.
Yeah, we'll get stuff picking around. I ain't worried about that. So,
Yep. What's the roads like there? You dry or?
but it's nice here. When I left home, it was snowing like a son of a gun.
No way.
Yeah, she was snowing pretty good.
That figures.
That's how it always goes.
Yep.
But the sun's shining right now, and we're doing 70 and just giving her. So,
Oh yeah. No, I think it'll be. Looks like you'll be clear. I looked this morning. It looks like you'll be clear all the way out. So,
perfect.
yeah.
Yeah, we should be there about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. We should be there. So,
Perfect. We'll jump in the house. Doors open. We'll probably be up anyways. So
all right.
everybody just gets going about that time.
Okay. All right. Cool beans, man.
Hell yeah, buddy. See you then.
All right. Sounds good. Bye. Better air them out, I better.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll be on in 2 minutes.
Sounds good, but
Perfect.
I went to the back.
Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Good girl.
There we go.
Better not bark, or I'll be out here.
That fresh snow and hit.
I'll check again, but man, that's what mine was saying.
Yeah.
Obviously, they're all different, usually.
I do that weather.com.
I got-
That's been pretty decent here. Just won't do the right amount.
I just got
It'll take me-
AccuWeather that I've been running.
Got nothing.
And 12 below at my house.
Does not get shit. That sucks.
That's a, if that's a, I mean, that'd be like a
Sunday we're getting
happen.
less than an inch during the day, 40% at night. Hopefully it turns on Tuesday, about an inch at night, about an inch during the day. That'll be great.
You got nothing for Friday here, huh?
I got nothing for Friday here.
1.3 inches.
What's up, fellas?
Howdy.
Hey,
Ryan.
Austin, Zach.
Nice to meet you, Austin.
Dusty,
Dusty.
Zach.
Dusty?
Cody.
Cody.
Meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm good on the coffee. I just wanted to stop by and say hi and wish you
Yeah.
guys luck.
Yeah.
Got the cup in the truck, but
Yeah.
are you gonna go take a look at the other route? And
I think we were gonna try to do both. I was wondering which one to do today though, like, because we might get snow. Looks like it's getting snow tomorrow, which would be closer to you than me. It's not getting. Supposed to get any, so I don't know which to make it. But we were gonna check out your ranch, so.
yeah. Actually, I could probably ride for an hour this morning or so, and so I could run a couple of laps just around our stuff that's green.
That was pretty good.
It's like a small loop that we do, and then a big loop. And I go out and back to.
Okay, you do that.
Yeah, I haven't yet, just because I haven't had time, but
Just down near the bottom.
it is. That's exactly what it is. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and I think the cats leave there a little bit earlier because it's a lot higher.
Yeah.
Up there it's 8,500 feet.
Yeah, no, I gotta go get that bobcat tag. We're gonna grab a tag for. Austin's gonna have a kill tag, and then we're gonna go buzz.
What do we
around.
need for bobcat? We just need a small game and a fur bearing,
Yeah.
right?
You said so, hang it up, boy,
Yeah.
Just got reamed. I mean, just got my tag.
How much did it go up?
Too much.
$131.
$131.
Better turn around, you know better.
Yeah, we're all ready to go.
Getting the snowmobiles all pulled out and running, and we're gonna go check for some tracks and get some shit going for tomorrow.
Oh yeah, I see it.
See it?
Bottom one.
I think it's a crack hose, I think.
Yeah, I bet you.
Cody and Jake, they ran into town to get some parts for the snowmobile. So we're just gonna hang out and wait for them to get back, and hopefully we can go and do a little scouting yet today. That's what's happening.
Hopefully, calling a few coyotes, I think.
Yeah, we might try that right at the end there.
Before we get back to the truck, it'd just be good to stop.
Throw her out, see what happens.
What do you think? You warm it up?
Running.
Alright, let's go kill him.
we're gonna see if we can find something worth running here.
Jake's gonna take us around, show us a little bit, see if we can cut a track, and we'll come back and we'll get the.
He's talking now.
What you got?
Only good for one thing.
Where was that?
That little dip back there.
In that timber. It came out on the trail, walked this way, and back in. It's clear as day on the.
I was like, man,
I mean, we're
sure.
behind it by 2 days.
Yeah. It's got a little snow, but he's got to come out of here somewhere.
Yeah. No, we'll get him.
I'm like, man.
Going up.
Yeah, he's going that way.
Cut back into this timber going up.
It just looked like a cat track, so I backed up, and that's a cat track.
No, he's big.
40. That's Tom. He's got big toes, big toes.
We'll get him.
Yeah, let's go get this fucker boxed in and see if we can get around him.
Get him at least pinpointed down. If we can't put on him, we can't put on him today, but
I think we can get on him today.
I'd like to get on him today.
Let's do it.
No, let's see if we can get him turned up on this road here. Up here.
Oh wow. That's big. That is a big, big cat.
Holy shit. Put your hand down there like that.
Wow. It's got a little snow though, Jake.
No, it's old.
But everything's going in.
Well, let's see if we can jog and we can get this road around that comes right up on that top.
I don't
Then we
think
can
it's the
run
same
circle.
one.
I don't think so.
That's what 3 times the size of that one.
Where's he coming from?
That's no joke.
That's no joke there. That's cool. Now we just gotta figure out what end he's coming out on.
Well, if that track is that distinct, I mean, we'll know. All right.
Everything's going in though. So did this go all the way around or no, Jake?
Yeah. We'll get around the box.
He could be laying in here.
I think it's gonna come back out.
Okay.
This patch here to see if that Tom came out of here, that last track we found.
We're just circling it and we're trying to pinpoint what chunk he's in, just to kind of eliminate some leg work.
Yeah, but
Catch up with him.
looking pretty good right now.
Big cap.
Yeah. Time will tell. A couple more miles.
Yeah, we put I think GPS at 20 miles on before we cut that track. So a lot of elk tracks, moose tracks, a lot of coyote tracks. All right,
Let's get this one found.
we're gonna keep cutting until we find him. Geared up. Got the dogs. And then we're gonna go kill him.
they're going up?
Yep, same spot. Now we know which way it went. Right, cut up that trail and just started from right there. Be a lot easier walking down to the track where we leave off tonight.
Oh yeah, sure.
But I mean, Jesus, we drove around the whole thing. No track coming out.
The dogs took the track a ways with Cody following. The lion got into some blowdown and was walking on tipped over trees, which made it hard for the dogs and Cody to stay on the track. Cody couldn't figure out the track, and with daylight fading, we decided to catch the dogs and head back to Jake's. Over a few beers, we discussed tomorrow's game plan.
Well, it's cold. Yeah, it's colder today.
Got high hopes though. Critters moved last night.
Yeah, they did. I'm hoping we have more snow up top though.
Yeah, even still. You still see some of the old dog tracks like right by you there. It's all snowed in.
Here's a spot where Austin and I keep tipping the snowmobile over. It's the second time already in the last half hour. So you get into that deep snow and it just sucks you right in, and them handlebars in the back for the passenger kind of traps you in. You can't really bail. So, oh well. I let him go to the top. He's gonna check the stub road, then he's gonna turn around, come down, pick me up. It'd be a little easier. So.
Jake was gonna go check that one steep spot, and he said I'd never make it. So.
I think there's another loop over here that we didn't do. It's a bigger loop.
I think we should either
Do that. Don't you?
we can. Yeah, I'm okay with whatever. Or
It's
you
only
run-
10:30.
The bank on the other side. I can't either. A little afternoon, I think. We're gonna pull out of here and get ready for tomorrow. Yeah, come back up here in the morning and we're gonna run our loop again. See if we cut anything. If we don't, sounds like we're gonna head down south, grab the side-by-side and go check some stuff out down there. Run our way out and figured we'd stop and do a little game calling. Hit a couple spots on the way out and maybe we get lucky. Go back in.
10 miles. Hopefully he's there today. One of the two cats. There's for sure two in there.
And run the loop. Hopefully cut his track. If not, we're gonna burn out and we're gonna head 3 hours south, or 2.5 hours south.
We won't have to today. He's in there. Never know.
Oh, that is a good. He's heavy as shit.
His foot's on his right. His
Yep.
foot's double split up. But you can't get him.
Oh, yeah.
With the buck lower.
What are them ones way to the left? They're just does and fawns, ain't they?
Ah! Yeah, that right top goes little splits.
Tracks. Scared the hell out of some coyotes a little bit ago.
gas.
Nice and easy.
We ran out of gas. We're 5 miles from being out.
70 miles is all she's got. Real slow.
Got one. We ain't even got it. Right here.
Got him there? We gotta find out where he goes. Should I go call Jake?
Yeah,
you guys figure it out which way he goes?
No. You got him. Yeah, and that's how it happens, just like that.
Why is he down here?
Jake said he cuts in here all the time running this river.
That's a good one.
Terry's got 42.
You already measured it?
Yeah.
Tom.
Most
He's walking
likely.
right down this trail. You want to get Jake on the phone? We'll call Jake. All right.
That's fresh.
It wasn't here last night when we
Wasn't. Yeah, I wasn't here yesterday.
There's the track. What's up with that?
Yeah, we ain't gonna see it.
40 inches.
40 inches.
40 inches.
Perfect. We can.
Come on.
Hey, we can.
Come on.
See? Persistent.
Gotta keep going.
If you keep him over there though, it's a different track.
Yeah.
So he's just,
Yeah.
he's cruising. Alright. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Come here. Come on.
Anymore. We got a storm rolling in. We gotta get on this track. Cody drove all the way around this pretty much and didn't cut him, so he's in this piece, so he's not far. So
Have him jumped here hopefully before too long.
yeah.
Mountaintop ain't that big.
No.
I was looking at the weather, fuck, we were supposed to get a blizzard.
It was snowing here.
What?
It was snowing.
Oh, it was snowing its ass off, but I'll run 6 hours or so. Yeah.
Best we've had it, and I don't want to lose.
No, he's smoking hot fresh. I just saw him.
Last day we can be in there. Cody, Ryan. Ryan, how are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Dusty.
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Coming out. The Brotherhood of Ginger. Nice to meet you. We got a puppy meet. We got, yeah.
So, you want to let the thing start? Yeah. So she'll roll it. Let's get them all to stick their nose in it real quick here.
Yep. Run again, jumped out. Yep. So we brought it for. You ready?
Good dogs.
Good dog. Come on, man.
Hey, congratulations. Awesome. You worked for it, buddy. They don't get as easy a race as that, but fuck it. Should be a puppy. cool.
That's awesome bow shot. One of the best bow shots I've ever seen in my life. I love them archery bow shots.
He told me, he's like, I'm not too scared to leave this to the side. I'm like,
Good job.
all right. I just see them sitting here on this back and he was running, he was straight out when I saw that tail behind him, like, holy shit. I just got him. Well, drip and drip. You want to hold your bow?
No, it's too much.
We won't tell anybody. No, we don't.
Busy looking down at your nut.
Man, Ronald's got you a present. It's gonna be so awesome. Getting here. Black here? Yeah, somewhat. Do you notice that like different ridges will have different colored caps? I guess probably not. This is the only one you've ever caught.
Yeah, no, this is the first time.
Look, you press its mouth open for me and every, huh?
Ooh, you're into it.
I'm working on it.
Making it. Yeah,
it's
no,
not
it's
so bad.
pretty nice one for you. There you go.
Is.
Nailed it.
Thank you. We are going to take a little DNA sample from him.